Good day everyone. For today's video, I'm going to solve some problems about key design. So, first problem, we have given W is equal to 14 millimeters, T or the thickness is equal to 10 millimeters, D is equal to 50 millimeters, and the crushing stress is equal to the 2T, and we have T is equal to 800 Newton meters or 800,000 Newton millimeter. So we are required to solve for the L. So to solve for the L, we have first T is equal to L times W times the shear stress times D over 2. So we have plug in the values. We have 800,000 equals L times 14 times the shear stress times 50 over 2. So we have L is equal to 2285.71 over T So next, F is equal to T over D over 2. So we have 800,000 divided by 50 over 2. So we have F is equal to 32,000 Newton. Since now we have F, we can solve for the L. So F is equal to L times the thickness over 2 times the crushing stress. So we have 32,000 times L times 10 over 2 times the 2T. So L is equal to 32,000 over T millimeters. So on to our next problem, we have the given is equal to D is equal to 35 mm. The shear stress is equal to 46 MPa. And we have W is equal to 10 millimeters and L is equal to 30 millimeters. So we are required to solve for the T. So Fs is equal to WFL times the shear stress. So we have Fs is equal to 10 times 30 times 46. So we have Fs is equal to 13,800 Newton. Next, we can solve for T. So we have the formula T is equal to Fs times D over 2. So plug in the values. Fs is equal to 13,800 multiplied by 35 divided by 2. So we have our T is equal to 241,500 Newton millimeter, or simply 241.5 Newton meter. That's all. Thank you.